everybody, this is Chad with round 2, and we're here for our product spotlight for November 2021. So really cool stuff to show you guys this month. We're definitely thankful for all this new product that we're getting here this month. We've got new things to show, 5 model kits to show you guys, some stuff from Polar Lights, AMT, some pretty cool like pop culture type stuff too. That's going to be really awesome. We've got 4 new 118 products from Auto World diecast. We're going to show you guys for that. We've got a new release for Johnny Lightning collector tins in 1/64th, and we have a new release for Auto World X-Traction Flamethrower slot cars. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to start with the model kits. Alright, so starting off with model kits, first to show you guys in the car kit realm, this is the Polar Lights Mr. Norm's Supercharger Funny Car. So a lot of really neat stuff about this kit. This is a Legends of the Quarter Mile kit. Hasn't been out in quite a while here, but some pretty cool features on this Supercharger. Some of those kit features here, you can see it comes with pad printed drag slicks. We remastered the decals that come with this kit. It's got a couple different wheel options, that tubular frame and the roll cage. There's actually vinyl tires and a vinyl belt for the Supercharger here, which is really cool. Bunch of chromed parts and a lot of other cool features there. There's a look at one of these kits built out, so you can see just how cool you can make it look once you apply those decals, put some good paint on there. And there's a short history here of Mr. Norm's 1969 Dodge Charger Funny Car, which ran for about a year and a half and is still actually in a collection in pristine condition. There's a look here at the parts tree, so you can see all those features on the back here on that kit. And should be a really cool one to build up and a great addition to the other Legends of the Quarter Mile kits we have. So sticking with car kits, this one under AMT, the Ford 71 Mustang Mach 1 kit. So a lot of cool stuff with this kit. Has authentic parts, of course, that 71 front end to build it out that way. It's got pre-lettered tires on it, colorful decal options that come with the kit, and you can see some of the features here on the side as well. Get a look at that 71 front end there. All the details that come with the kit. That 351 cubic inch V8 engine does come with chrome wheels and pad printed Firestone wide oval tires, which should look awesome on the kit there. And there's a look, flip it over for you, of the parts tree on that kit, so you can see all those features and options there. Next up for car kits, kind of a car kit, kind of a pop culture kit. This is a really cool one, Godzilla's Go-Kart from Polar Lights. So this was an original Aurora kit that's very rare, very hard to find, super cool, quirky kit. Back during the Plain Mantis era, Polar Lights did redo this kit and have it put out as the Go-Kart due to Godzilla licensing. But we do work with Godzilla now. We do work with Toho. This is the first time we've been able to put this great vintage kit back out, officially licensed through Godzilla, and it is such a cool, funky kit. I know people my age probably thought that Bowser was the first reptile to jump on a go-kart, but we would be wrong. It was Godzilla back in the Aurora days. So there's a look at it built up. Again, just super cool, funky, fun kit to build up and have fun with, and something a little different, and having it officially licensed here through Godzilla is just another really awesome offering here. Do include an all-new decal sheet with this kit here, and there's a look at the side of the kit, and just a super cool one. I can't wait to see the different ways that you guys build that kit out and detail it and how cool it looks. So keeping with kind of automotive and pop culture and cool funky stuff, the Ratfink International TranStar CO4070A kit. So we have done some other International TranStar kits. This is officially Ratfink licensed, so it comes with a lot of really cool Ratfink decals with it. Over 250 parts on this. As we'd mentioned with the previous release of our International TranStar, we did retool some options for it to get this kit to fit better than it had in the past, and has a lot of unique AMT features with the kit as well. And as I mentioned, over 200 parts. So big parts tree on this kit that I'll show you guys here in a second. Get a look at that all new decal sheet here. Again, really awesome. All those Ratfink decals, the flame, and you can see some of the options on this kit, like the tilting sleeper cab, the Detroit diesel engine, the chrome exhaust system, and some of the other stuff on the back. Chrome fuel tanks, removable battery cover, of course your detailed sleeper cab on the inside of it. Just lots and lots of cool parts in these big rig kits here. And there's a look, as I was saying, at that giant 250 part parts tree on the back there, and all the different features that come with that. And lastly, for models sticking with big rig stuff, we have the Great Dane 40-foot reefer trailer, or 1/25th scale of 40 feet in this case. This is about 20 inches long once it's assembled and put together. Of course, a detailed reefer unit to put on all of our big rig kits. It's got sliding tandem suspension, expanded decal sheet on it, stuck with the vintage style packaging for this kit. And you can see some of the options here, like the chrome plated doors that on the back that you can actually open. You can see the detailed floor panels inside of the trailer. And another look here at the moving tandem sliding suspension, spare tire rack, and look at all these cool colorful decals that you can put on that kit here. And lastly, let's give you a look at that parts tree. So just a great kit to build in tandem with some of the other big rig kits that we've been offering. So that is everything we have for model kits. Next, we're going to jump in and show you slot cars. Okay, so jumping into slot cars, we have a release for Auto World X-Traction Flamethrowers. And for those of you guys who aren't aware what flamethrower means, those are lit chassis, so they have working headlights and working lights in the cars. Super cool looking when you're running them on the track. We did a flamethrower set with our semi-frozen big rig kit that came out recently. So these are more cars, more light up cars. First one being the 1970 Chevy Camaro in this great red-orange color. Has those SS style white striping, double white stripes on the top of it, and black wheels with it. Great looking car for that one, and will look even better on your track, all lit up. Second version is in this dark graphite gray color. Has red striping on the top and along the sides of that one as well. Great looking release for that. Next up in the flamethrower series, the 1956 Chevy Nomad. These are always popular. The Nomad kits and like the Tri-5, like our 55 Bel Air slot cars, whenever we put those out, they sell out so fast. You guys love them. First variation here is in green. Has a lot of nice silver detailing on it, chrome wheels, and just a great looking release for that. And the second one is that two-tone, has the white top and a great orange color, also with all the detailed chrome on it. You can see the chrome on the back hatch here and all the striping strips on the side and around the windows. It's awesome looking slot car for that. Third in the release for flamethrowers, the 2005 Ford GT. First one here is in a silver color. It has white racing stripes on the top there. Look really awesome on that car. Has black wheels, kind of add to the aggressiveness of it, and you can see those headlights in there. Actually have some detail on that glass, and will look extra cool when that light's coming through it. And second is this actually matte black racing version with that gumball number 8 on the side of it. Also has stripes, kind of a silver stripe through there, and just a great looking aggressive color option for that Ford GT. And then last in the flamethrower set, the 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. First version here is in yellow. It has all the Roadrunner striping, of course, across the roof there, coming down the side. Got the black detailing on the hood, raised white letter tires on it, chrome wheels. And the second variation is in this great looking, almost petty style blue color here, with a white top on it and the black detailing on that hood as well. Chrome wheels, raised white letter tires. Great looking release for slot cars, and that's everything we got for slot cars. Next, we're going to jump in and show you guys 1/64th. So for Johnny Lightning, we have a new release for you guys in our Johnny Lightning Collector Tin program. So there are 3 cars in this one, 2 color variations for each. These are all really neat in these Collector Tin series. Actually, each one of these 3 castings used to be part of our Auto World Deluxe line. They have had new chassis retooled to now have metal chassis. Great looking detail. Because they came out of that line, the bodies are true to scale in 1/64th. And now they're able to have rubber tires, Johnny Lightning rubber tires on them. And as I mentioned, metal chassis and just great looking detail on it. So first off, it's the 1985 Ford Mustang SVO. Here it is in dark blue. You can see all the great painted detailing that's available on this one and those wheels. And because it's the Collector Tin series, comes with that matching collector tin at the bottom with the car on the side of it. Great way to be able to open your car and then store it and keep it keep it safe when you're not looking at it or playing with it. And next, version B is in white. Really awesome for this one. I love it in white because you can really see all the cool details in the casting. Really makes all those body lines pop and show off well. You can see the detailing along the side of it with the black trim. Of course, the detailed tail lights, that detailed front end with the turn signals, and just another great looking option for that. And the collector tin there on the bottom, of course, matching that version B paint job. Next up in the release, the 1966 Chevy El Camino. First one is in burgundy red, has a red interior as well, and great detailing on this one. Rubber tires, chrome wheels, silver chrome wheel on there, of course metal chassis now, and that collector tin that comes with it. Great looking release for that. And here is the second variation here. Another red color, but this one has matching wheels on it, matching color matched rims on there, and of course all the great detailing with the chrome on the back, chrome on the bumper, all around the windows, and you can see that red interior with it as well, and that matching collector tin, of course. And third, the 2012 Chevy Camaro ZL1 convertible version A here in silver, has that black striping along the top and the black roof to match. Of course, all the painted detailing that you come to expect in Johnny Lightning and Auto World and Racing Champions Mint, and all the 1/64th that we do. And a look at the tin for that one as well. And lastly, the black version of that 2012 Camaro ZL1 convertible has the gloss black here with the more of a matte black for the top on there as well. Great looking release for this. You can see all those little detailings that pop out on the black, even the little badges on the hood there. Really cool looking release. We got a lot more coming in 1/64 scale. Some stuff that we'll be showing you guys next month as well too, but we're gonna jump in and show you the 118. All right, so first off for 118, we're gonna start with the next car in our release for our class of 1971 series. This is 1971 Pontiac Firebird TA or Trans Am. Great looking release for this one. It's in that white color, that very famous Trans Am white color, and has the blue striping going along the top there. Super cool looking. I really love this car. Has the Goodyear pad printed tires on it with those, of course, matching Pontiac wheels, and opening hood showing that 455 high output engine. The hood also has that cutout for that shaker style hood on there, where you can see the engine sticking up out of the top there. Again, great detailing on this, opening doors on this model as well, and that detailed interior, detailed chassis, and all the other cool little options here along it. Just a great looking release for that in our 118 scale. So next up, sticking with GM, in 118 we have the 1947 Cadillac Series 62 soft top. So this version here is in blue, has that off-white top on it, or that beige top. It's really cool looking on this car. White wall tires to match, really makes that top pop. And the interior is two-tone blue and white in this one as well. Has an opening hood with a flathead V8 in it. Another really awesome looking release for these Cadillacs and for these old school 30s and 40s cars that we've been doing. And some of the information there on the back, and those great looking illustrations here that Mike G does for us in the Auto World line. Next up, for a pop culture style release in 118, we have our Monopoly Series 1948 Chevy police van. So super neat looking one here, with this being the Monopoly police van. Of course, this is the car, the paddy wagon that can pick you up and take you to jail. Do not pass go, do not collect $200. Has the get out of jail free card on the side of it, Monopoly logo on the side of it, and does come with a resin figure of Mr. Monopoly here. And you can see him in his jailbird outfit, sitting on top of the little jailhouse here. And these are super fun to do, super fun to make these paint jobs looking like the Monopoly boards. You can see some of the information there on the back as well. This Monopoly series has really been fun to do in both 118 and 1/64 scale as part of our Johnny Lightning pop culture line. So if you like the Monopoly stuff, be sure to check that line out as well. And then last, for 118 scale, we got a big one for you guys. This is in our trailer series, This is the Patriotic Trailer 4-wheel enclosed trailer. So we did do another variation before of a Patriotic trailer, and it sold really well. It was super popular, so we wanted to do another one for you guys to be able to get a hold of. This one having, of course, the flag graphics on the side of it and that Statue of Liberty, Lady Liberty's face here. Really fun to do these trailer series, especially we've been trying to put out a little more trucks recently. And here's a look at some of the back of that packaging there, where you can see that opening trailer and some of the detailing on the back with the eagle. And just another great looking release for 118. So that's everything we've got right now for the month of November. We got a lot of cool stuff coming for the month of December. We've been talking a lot on our social media pages about some of the stuff coming out. New tooling. Also, if you go to round2corp.com, you can check out, we have a whole section dedicated to new tooling under the collector corner section of the site. Check that out, and the Round 2 news to see some of the cool stuff we're working on. Our Facebook pages for all of our brands are up. Our Instagram pages, we post and share stuff on that. Thank you guys for supporting us. Thank you guys for watching these videos. We'll see you for Christmas. December is next. See you next month.